So I found a new old stock disappearing splitter for the Delta Unisaw. This is a great addition, safety feature. The Delta made this for years and barely changed it through the years. So this was a new old stock one. I'll get it all set up and put on the saw.
So the install is pretty simple here. The bracket has two bolts that will connect to the rear trunnion. They changed the connection through the years, but it's the same basic setup. These newer ones like this one just have two Allen head bolts that bolt right into the rear trunnion. The older design has one Allen head bolt and then a through bolt that goes through the hole in the rear trunnion, and sort of a different setup there, but basically it's two bolts one way or the other. And so I'm just tightening this up here. I'm going to raise the arbor and try to use a straight edge with the arbor flange and the splitter to make sure they're in line, and then there'll be some final tune-ups once I do some test cuts just to make sure it's perfectly set up.